Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact laundry dryers from Euhomy. Today, we will take a closer look at the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer, which boasts a larger capacity and more powerful performance, and the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer, known for its compact design and affordability. Let's dive into the details to see how these two models stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers a generous 3.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for larger loads of laundry. In contrast, the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer has a smaller capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, which is ideal for those with limited space or smaller laundry needs. If you frequently do larger loads, the compact model may be the better choice. Power is another critical factor in choosing a dryer. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer operates at 1500 watts, providing robust performance for drying clothes quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer has a lower power rating of 850 watts, which may result in longer drying times but is more energy efficient. Depending on your drying needs, this could influence your decision. Price is always an important consideration. The Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer is priced at $349, reflecting its larger capacity and higher power. In contrast, the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer is more budget-friendly at $229, making it a great option for those looking for an economical solution without sacrificing quality. Ultimately, your budget may play a significant role in your choice. In conclusion, both the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer have their unique advantages. The compact model offers more capacity and power, while the portable model is designed for those who prioritize space and cost. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.